Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Sunday's live stream. Now, the start of this live stream, I'm going to be shilling someone because my friend over at High FPV sent me some stuff at Christmas, and I'm that far behind on stuff like this. I've only actually today been able to have a proper look at everything he sent over. He sent me this lovely t-shirt, which is reminiscent of something you might have seen, and you can see on the back it's got High FPV. But he also sent me a couple of other things I want to show you as well, which I think is quite cool. And one of them is this battery, because I'm actually a big fan of the CNHL's blacks, and he has his own version of the CNHL blacks. CNHL, never get it right. And that is rubber coated, because we all know you like to cover in rubber. Now, before we get into this, I am just going to say a big thank you to High for sending some of this stuff over. I am incredibly grateful. It's just a couple of nicks and knacks, but there's two things I wanted to show you. So, on the overhead, he sent over the High version of the CNHL black battery. And the difference between the High version and the normal version is it has the thicker rubber coating on it, more like what you get on the pizzas, if you've ever had the pizzas from them. So that's worth a look. Big fan of these batteries, really a great battery, and it's nice to see. And the reason he has it with this is because he says the standard ones crack, and I can confirm they absolutely do, because my ones have cracked as well. Yes, it's a little bit heavier, but it does add a bit more structural rigidity to the battery. He also has a couple of battery straps which he sent me, and some leaves. But what I did want to have a look at is these two green LEDs that he sent me as well, because he wrote that this 6S LED is so bright that it may blind me. Now, we've got a 5-volt version here, which we're going to power up, which has got wires on it, and we'll have a look at this, and we'll see. This is definitely the 5-volt version. Right, here's my power supply on 5 volts, 4.95. Let's just get it on 5 dead. There we go. So, we'll try that one first of all. I want to see how bright they are. And then I want to see these 6S ones. So, let's go for these ones first. Jesus, that's the 5-volt. Wow. That is like... How bright are the 6S ones? Look at that! That's insane. That is... That is nuts. So, that is the 5-volt ones. Let me just wrap them back up. They're LEDs. He also does coloured ones as well, which we'll have a quick look on the website. Now, the only downside to the 6S ones is I don't think they're wired. How bright are the... Jesus, if that's the 5s, what are the 6s like? 24 volt. How can I get voltage into this? Let's have a look. How do I know which way is which as well? Aha, because it says on it. Now, is there enough space to get 2 crocodile clips on? Right, let's get it up to 24 volt. Right. Be prepared. Jesus, that's even more. It's fine. It's fine. The power supply survives. What I'm going to do is go up a little bit further. So what we're going to do is go on there, on that one, That is crazy bright. That is nuts. Fair play. He also does them in a range of colours, apparently, as well. So, if you're interested in getting some, thank you, Fly High. That is bright. His website is here. Fly High FPV. He's a great dealer in the US. He's been really helpful, actually, on the channel. And he really is a really a good guy. He really is a good guy. But he's got it all available on the website, and you can go onto here, and where are we here? We're talking swag. Where's the LED? He's got LEDs. Let me just search for LED, because that is really cool. Oh, my cup of tea has arrived. That is green. There we go. You can see the strips in full colour there. RGB strips. He's got them single colour. Really nice. I really like them. They're really cool. He's based in the US, but his website picked me up as being in the UK and has added UK pricing, but he's definitely based in the US. But he's got all the different options there available as well, so definitely worth checking out. Just a huge thank you to him to send some stuff over. He asked me for my address, and he just sent me a little care package, just battery and a couple of other things. So again, just a big thank you from me.